Hello everyone. In this video we're going to see how to load the script and assign a shortcut key for the script. Let's begin. Go to Windows and choose Utilities and then choose Scripts. You can even use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt F11 to open the script panel. Now right click the user and click Reveal in Explorer. Double click the folder. Now copy the script and paste inside the folder. Now check the script panel, the script is loaded. Then you're done. Alright, let's assign a keyboard shortcut key for the script. Go to Edit panel and choose Keyboard Shortcut. It will pop up a new window. Click the new set and assign a name for that. Now, in the product area, choose Scripts. Below the user, you can find your scripts. Select the script. Assign a shortcut key for the script of your choice. I'm going to assign Ctrl+1. Click Assign button and hit OK. Now you can check the script panel folder. The script has a shortcut key. Then you're done. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you won't miss any video which I posted. Thank you all.